For music lovers, the Music Haptics is an exciting feature. What I love the most about this new iOS 18 feature is the ability to play haptics such as taps and textures in sync with the currently playing songs. Hence, it becomes a pleasing experience to listen to music. If you have begun to like this new feature, you would love to take advantage of the shortcut that allows you to quickly enable or disable the Music Haptics by triple-clicking the side button or the power button of your iPhone or iPad in quick succession. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first up, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now select Accessibility. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Accessibility shortcut. Then you have to choose Music Haptics and then quit the Settings app. And there you have it. Going forward, you can instantly trigger the Music Haptics on your iPhone or iPad by triple-clicking the power button of your device, just like this. Super cool, isn't it? Now that you have unlocked this super cool feature, make the most of it to spice up your music listening experience. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks to learn. Stay safe and have a great time.